What's going on, everybody? Today is the day I have been waiting months for. It is turkey season for me. Turkey season is opened up on Tuesday this week. It is now Thursday. I am off work early and I do not work tomorrow. So I've got 4 days to try to get me a bird. Stay tuned, see how it works out. See you, buddy. See you, buddy. See you, buddy. See you, buddy. Daddy bring you home some turkey treats. Whatcha! Ladies and gentlemen, Lexi 75.
You're never going to believe it's up in the field right now.
Which field?
Second one.
Up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking over at Gray Road, but...
Not turkeys.
Oh, no?
No, 5 deer.
5 deer?
Yeah.
Really? I could change the footage and we can throw some leaves on the ground, make it look like fall. Oh yeah. We've arrived, folks.
That's right. It's in the freezer downstairs.
Well, we just might have to get into that. That's all right. She's packed. Got the old easy heat.
Here I am taking it easy.
That's okay. I don't need you.
Where's the cooler?
I just put it in the shade. Can you imagine? I believe all those what?
There's a deer sitting up there.
I know. It's fucking disgusting.
Hello?
Hey, buddy.
Don't let him on your bed. He's shedding like crazy.
Alright, you gotta get down.
Jason, come on.
Get down.
Come on. Get down.
Good enough. Sleeping bag. Ready for bed. Fans ready. What a view. All right, we got camp set up. We are going out to do a little scout right now for tomorrow morning, see if we catch anything roosting. Once we get back, it'll be daylight, or sun will be down quite a bit. I'll take you a little tour of the campsite. Shot of the deer blind. All right, so we're up in the blind. It's the deer blind. We're not allowed to hunt from blinds. We're just doing some scouting for tomorrow morning. See what comes out in the field. I got Lexi 75 right there. Say what's up. What's up? So we're gonna stay up here for a little while. Might go tour through the bush if we don't hear or see nothing. And then we'll keep you posted. So we got camp all set up. I'm gonna turn you around. You can see the nice little pond behind me. We've got two ponds back to back. The other one's over here. Let me just walk here. Another nice little pond sitting out there. It's actually, we're cheating a bit because the house is actually right there. So worst case scenario, something happened, we're going inside. But we got heat, we got beer, and we got beds. Lexie's on his phone.
I just posted some stuff, hey.
So let's take you a walk. So there's trucks there. Again, we got the pond here. Oh, something splashing around in there. Bring it on this side. We got a beautiful stream sound. She's small, but she sounds beautiful. So, with the truck parked right there, right beside the stream, it's very good to sleep in. So let's cross this bridge here. We call this the first field. And then if you look way down there, way down there, my blind is there. So I have a view of the second field and this whole first field, which turkeys have been spotted. And then Matt's blind is second one over. He's up there a little bit. We'll take a tour before we end and show you that one. Then we get the truck set up. So we do have truck Zito all decked out, ready to go. Got the pack outs full, got the sleeping bag up there, cooler full of food. So I know it's kind of traditional to do a cooking video, but that'll probably come tomorrow night. Tonight's been a long day. We really don't have time to get into stuff, so sausage and buns it is. And we're actually going to be cooking the sausages over the fire. And here is the magic. We have the Chinese diesel heater. And we've got her split. So that heater goes into my truck, which way in the back there, you can see right beside the GoPro mount. It'll just be pumping heat into this cap all night. And then we've got it teed in. And from the tee, we cut a small little piece of wood, put coupling on, and now good old Lousy 75 and the Beauty Honda Element. He's got his own heater, but we don't need that today. He's way up there. And that's going to be pumping heat in his truck all night.
Thanks for calling it a truck.
So another quick little tour. I was going to set up the dining tent, but there's not calling for rain tonight, so we're just going to do that to keep some dew off the diesel heater for now. The diesel heater is actually running off the jackery, which I was able to tuck inside the driver's side there. Oh, look, more Milwaukee packets. Then we'll come on this side here. Again, we got the stream right beside us. It's going to be nice to hear that. It's leaking. You got the fire pit ready to go. That's Coors Light, not Bud Light. So we'll be lighting that up probably in a couple minutes. But even though we're close to the house, it's a pretty clean camping spot. Sun's about to go down. We'll check in with you before we go to bed.
Let's do 10 and 10 for yours, and then I just have to refill the water. I gotta feed these dogs.
Alright. You're taking that thermos?
Yeah.
Okay. blind all opened up this morning. It's a little chilly, quite a bit of frost. It's pretty quiet this morning. Didn't really hear much for the gobbles. Matt's up in his blind. So we sit around, wait it out a little bit. If we see nothing, we'll try running gun in the woods. So it looks like we're not having too much luck this morning. Probably just gonna pack it up for a little bit, go back to the truck, grab something to eat, make some lunch, and then come back out here another hour or so, see what the weather does. We're supposed to be getting a storm tonight too, so that might put a damper on our little camp and cook. I don't mind cooking in the truck, but can't have Matt sitting in there with me. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we're getting ready to go back out. The rain's holding off still, so that's good. But it wasn't early morning and I do need a coffee. Again, I just like basic instant coffee. As long as it tastes like coffee and it's got caffeine, I'm down. Just got some powdered creamer. We're gonna get the jet boil rolling. What a great day today. Well, guys, today was unsuccessful. Didn't even hear one. Matt saw a hen up by his blind, popped its beak out and ran back to the bush. Haven't heard since. Tried doing a bit of walking around, made a few calls. I got nothing. So, again, depending on weather, might hold off a little while. Might try the blind one more time before it gets dark later. If not, it'll be beer and dinner time. So, until then.